Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be another unboxing and I'm so excited to show you guys. And I haven't opened this. I literally waited so I can film this video so I can, you know, I already seen this in the store, I know, but I still want to see it like personally. I was vlogging, but at the same time I don't know, I was with my friend Clarice and it's been a long time since I seen her, so I was just like not vlogging. I was just like living in the moment, you know what I mean? But I don't know if I'm probably, I don't know, because the vlog clip is not really a lot. So I mean, we just went to like eat and you know, that's it. But you're not here for that video, but you're here for this. So I would say this is like my first Chanel I would say like wallet. Yes, first Chanel wallet. And I purchased on my Chanel perfume, but like not bags and stuff. But yeah, this is it. And let's, can we open it, guys? Comes with this black paper bag and that little flower right there. And this is cute. It comes with this little bag and it's another flower. Look at that, you guys. Look at the packaging. Oh my goodness. So let's just, all right, so let's just unbox this together. Oh my goodness. I think you already know by now. It's probably the title, but that's the box. Classic black box. And all right, so it comes with this right here. It says card holder, and I got the gold medal. They do have a matte black and silver, but I got like the gold one. And the paper, I think this is how to take care of the card. So oh my god, the dust bag is very velvety, and that's the logo right there. Okay, dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, you guys, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow, I'm gonna give you guys like a 360, and it has a slit. All right, so I choose the one with an extra slit outside because the black one, I will probably insert a video. While I was there, I was videoing my phone. The black one doesn't have like a slit on. I mean, the black one with the gold details. The silver one has, but I was asking my friend Clarice also that which one is like better. I feel like the gold is more like, I don't know, it's much better looking than the silver one, so I ended up getting the gold one right there, the details. So okay, let's just open this. And it's made in Italy, and it comes with the not the care card, authenticity card right there. It has like the number and stuff in the back. That's good. All right, so we're probably gonna ask me, why are you buying another SLG or another card holder? You guys, this card holder from Louis Vuitton is totally beat up. Like, I use this almost every day now. I kind of like switch it up with my other key pouch from Louis Vuitton and also the Gucci, and I've been, you know, using this quite a lot. So this is the classic card holder, grain Calfskin with gold metal. They also have the black and the silver, like I said, but like I said, I got the gold. And I'm gonna take the plastic out of this. Give me a minute. There you go. So that's the gold details. Here's the 360 view. So like I said, there's a slit here, extra slit, and there's another slit here, right here. And that's the inside. The inside looks well, the interior looks like a burgundy color, like a deep burgundy color right there. And it's, like I said, it is made in Italy, and it has Chanel right there. Right there. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out the cards that are here in my Louis Vuitton, and I'm gonna put like cards in here and show you guys how many cards can fit. So I'm gonna take my driver's license, I'm gonna put it on front, and I feel like you can put cash as well here on this card. I'll put 2 in front and more. So basically it has a lot of, you know, space. So I have my driver's license in the front and my green card, and I have like my healthcare card, my debit card, and my BJ's card. And I can totally put more cards in here if you like, and you can also put cash. If I have cash, I normally just put it on my, for example, like here, let's see, I have, okay, I do have some cash. So let's see how it's gonna look like. Put it here. Right, I have to like do this better. Wait a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna just fold them and put the card here. There you go. So you know, you can put your cash. So I have to keep saying card. So there's cash in there, and there's, you know, more card. So I would, you know, I would use this as a more of like going out, and not on a daily basis, because this is very expensive. So I would say I would like use this if I'm going out with a date with my husband, or going out with the girls, or like something special, if I want to feel like a little bit bougie. And then, you know, I'm probably gonna use this. So that's the wallet look like, you guys. And I'm gonna put it, okay, so Chanel, when I went to the website, you cannot add to cart. It says contact advisor. The day before we went to the boutique, I called them. I was on hold for like 25 minutes. So I'm just like, you know what, I'm gonna hang up. I'm gonna hold for 25 minutes. So I feel like if you have, it says contact advisor, if you have your own SA or your advisor, I feel like it's much better. I don't know how the things work in Chanel, but he was very nice. The guy that assisted me, or like I would say my SA now, he was very nice, and he gave me his like card, and the receipt is here, and he's really being, you know, nice. So I'm gonna keep the receipt in here, and also his card, just in case if I'm interested in another, you know, stuff from Chanel, but not sooner, because they're really expensive. But yeah, that is it, you guys. That is it for today's video, and I'm gonna show you one more time with the velvet dust bag. This is so cute. Like, it's not flumpy, it's more like a little bit dense. It's not flumpy at all. So that's the dust bag. And yes, that is it for today's video. If you have any questions about this wallet, let me know, or comment in the section box below. Thank you so much for watching, and like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I mean, you already made it at the last end. So yeah, I will see you guys soon on my next one, and stay tuned on the giveaway, because I will post it on here on my YouTube. So bye.